I just wanted to take a couple of seconds just to show you something that you can see over on my main channel over at BakeLikeAPro. And in this video here, I did some jumbo cinnamon buns. A super easy recipe. Anybody can do it, and you can get results just like this. And I also have a recipe video for the very simple, really delicious cream cheese frosting that I put on these. So I'll just show you what they look like here, give it a little bit of a spin. These were in the oven for 30 minutes. And they look amazing. So the recipe for these, I'll put a link down underneath the video in the description box. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.